In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Slack messages into Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your message tracking or need to keep a thorough record of important conversations, this quick integration can be a game changer for your productivity. It's simple, efficient, and doesn't require any technical expertise. First, we begin our journey on Zapier, an automation tool that helps connect different applications. Head over to your browser, type in Zapier's URL, and you'll be greeted by their homepage. If you already have an account, you'll know the drill. For those who don't worry. To get started, just take a moment to sign in using your email. Zapier offers convenient options to use your Apple ID or Google account as well, so choose what feels comfortable to you. Once you've signed in, you'll be in the Zapier dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Your next step is to set up a new Zap, which essentially is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. You'll begin by selecting Slack as the app that will initiate this workflow. Slack, a widely used messaging platform, will serve as your trigger app in this scenario. Now, with Slack set as your trigger app, you'll need to define exactly what should trigger the Zap. For that, look for New Message Posted to Channel, or any other trigger that aligns with what you need. By choosing this, you tell Zapier to pay attention and take action whenever a new message appears in the specified Slack channel. Next, it's time to decide what happens when such a message is detected. This is where Google Sheets comes into play. Choose Google Sheets as the action app to tell Zapier where to send the Slack data. After that, you'll want to select Create Spreadsheet Row. This action will ensure a new row is generated every time the trigger is activated, allowing you to seamlessly log your Slack messages in a structured format. Mapping is the following crucial step. Here, you'll designate where each piece of Slack message data lands on your Google Sheet. For example, you could map the user who sent the message, the timestamp when it was sent, and the message text itself into separate columns in your spreadsheet. Take your time here to ensure that everything is correctly aligned for easy readability and processing later. Finally, with everything set up, save your Zap and turn it on. This is the step where your setup becomes active, meaning your selected Slack messages will now automatically flow into your Google Sheets without any further need for manual input. Make sure to test everything initially to confirm that data is being transferred correctly. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to automate your Slack to Google Sheets workflow, helping you save time and keep everything perfectly organized. Happy automating!